everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Ashna Jain, associated with Winnie Immigration as an immigration advisor. In today's video, we are going to talk about the major differences between Canada and United States. Canada and United States are neighboring countries. That is why a lot of people may think that they are very much same. But in general, they are not at all same in terms of politics, immigration, education, currency and food. In this video, I am going to tell you the main differences that may affect your decision to choose between Canada and United States when immigrating or studying in one of the countries. First, in this video, I would like to discuss about education. Higher education in Canada is cheaper than United States. In Canada, education costs are generally much lower than United States. For example, on an average, a Canadian student may pay between $4,000 to $6,500 per year for their education in Canada, while in USA they may have to pay around $30,000 per year as an institutional fee. International students in Canada may pay a little more than the domestic students in Canada. The price may be around $12,000 to $25,000 per year, while in USA the international students may pay up to $41,000 as an institutional fees. In USA the price may vary as per the states as well as in Canada, but overall it is way more expensive to choose studying in USA. The next major difference is healthcare. Canada offers universal access to healthcare to all its citizens, permanent residents and most of its temporary residents in the country. In Canada, each province determines what is the coverage of the services and who all are eligible for it. But overall, most of the people are eligible completely for free for most of the services that are required, such as medical appointments, hospitalization and medical surgeries. In Canada, healthcare is not paid out of your pockets. In most of the cases, all the services you required are covered by the money you are already paying in the taxes. Whereas in USA, healthcare is usually purchased through a private company or can be provided as a benefit through your employer. The next major difference is the immigration process. It goes without saying that immigrating to Canada is much more easier than United States. Canada offers more than 80 different programs to immigrate to Canada and exclusive pass for those who come to study and work temporarily in Canada. Canada has a smaller population that is aging and having fewer babies. This means their workforce is not being replaced at the rate that they should be. This is one of the most important reasons why Canada has announced that they are opening its doors to more than 1 million immigrants by the next 2 years. Basically, immigrants are an important part for Canada's economic growth. In general, immigrating to USA is through a job offer, which means one of the most affordable ways to immigrate to United States is through a work permit. Yet, this is not as easy as it seems, and the process can be very difficult and lengthy and of course a lot more expensive. The next topic we move on to is the Canadian government system, which is very different from United States. America is led by a president, whereas Canada is led by a prime minister. In America there are 2 political parties, whereas in Canada there are 5 political parties. The next major difference is the language. Canada has 2 major official languages, that is English and French, whereas United States only has English as its official language. This means that if you speak either English or French, you will be very successful in Canada, and also you will achieve additional points while doing your immigration process and have more chances to immigrate to Canada. Do you know what you need to do to immigrate to Canada? You need to book your consultation now with one of our regulated immigration consultant, and we will help you to make Canada as your home.